Here we have the integral of cosine inverse of x dx, and we want to use the integration by parts formula to get the solution. And again, to use this formula, look at the integrand, pick something and label it u, and then the rest of it will be dv. So in this, for this problem, we'll go ahead and let u be cosine inverse of x. And so, since this is u, then the dx has to be dv. So we have the derivative of u with respect to x. Recall that the derivative for inverse cosine is -1 divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. So we have du is equal to -1 and then 1 minus x squared dx. And then we have dv equal to dx. Integrate the left, integrate the right. There's nothing here, so we can put a 1 and a 1. The integral of 1 is just 1 times the variable v. The integral of 1 be just 1 times the variable x. So we have v equal to x. So now we have, so this is equal to uv minus integral v du. So u is cosine inverse of x, v is x. So we have cosine inverse of x, and then v is just x, and then minus integral of v du, but the x du is this part. So now we get x times cosine inverse of x, and then minus, we have a -1 here, so we can go ahead and, we have negative, so that makes it plus 1, and then the inside we have x, and then the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then we need to find this integral. Now for this integral we can use the u substitution method. So let u be 1 minus x squared. And again, this u is not the same as that u. This u is just for this problem. So we have du dx is equal to 0 minus 2x, or we get minus 2x. So that means that du is equal to -2 dx. Multiply both sides by -1/2. So we get negative 1/2 is equal, du is equal to x dx. So our integral right here, this becomes the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, and then x dx. So this is 1, and we call this u. U was 1 minus x squared, so this becomes the square root of u, and then x dx is negative 1/2 du. So here we have negative 1/2, and then so the negative 1/2, we'll move it to the front, and then 1 divided by the square root of u, that's the same as 1 over u to the 1/2, and then du. So we have negative 1/2. 1 divided by u to the 1/2 is u to the negative 1/2. The antiderivative, add 1 to the exponent, so negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. And then dividing by 1/2. Negative 1/2 dividing by 1/2 be just negative 1. So we get negative u to the 1/2. But recall that u is 1 minus x squared. So we get negative one minus x squared to the 1/2. So now we go back to our original problem. So we have x, cosine inverse x, and then plus, this integral is negative 1 minus x squared to the 1/2, and then plus c.